Okay, so let us start 3.3. What is first sum? A is given 6, D is 3, S 27 you have to find. What is formula for Sn? N upon 2 into twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Just substitute the values. Substitute the value of A, that is 6, substitute the value of D, that is 3, and what is value of n? See here, n is how much? N is 27. So here see, here substitute the value of n is how much? 27. Just go on solving. 27 minus 1, 26. Just solve it, you will get the answer. Very easy sum first. Now go for second one. Second one, see here. Here what is the question? Find the, see I'll read the question. Find the sum of first 123 even natural number. 123 even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 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 dash. How many natural number is there? Even means this is, see this value is nth term, means this is what your, this is your n. N is how much? 123, that is n. And what you have to find? You have to find sum of all even natural numbers. Sum of means Sn. You have to find Sn. Means what you have to find? S123. What you have to find? S123. So that is formula n upon 2 twice A. Twice A means A plus A. Just substitute the values. If you substitute the value, see here what step I have done here. See, this is 123. 123 minus 1, 122. In this step, see here, this step I have taken 2 common. See here, this 2 is here, so this will become 2. This is 4. See this 2, and from this I have taken 2 common, and then solve this. Okay. Now go for question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3, sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. Means how many number are there? 1 to 350. See here, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 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 dash. These are even numbers. Okay. Now see that this is T1, this is T2, T3, dash, dash, dash. This is Tn. Means A is 2, D is 2, and Tn. Tn means last term, nth term, is 350. Use this formula. Use this formula. After substitute the values, go on solving. You will get value of n, that is 125. It means total number of how many terms are there? 175. 2, 4, 6 like this. How many terms are there? 175 terms are there. Now you have to add the 175 terms. For adding 175 terms, you have to use formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Just substitute the values. Here again what I have told last time. See here, from these two I have taken 2 common. This 2 will get cancelled. The remaining you solve it. Now last sum from here, sum number 5th I have given you homework. Now let us solve question number 6. Question number 6, what is there in question number 6? See here, question number 6, Sn is given. How much Sn? Sn is 3300. 3300 you can say. So what is formula for Tn? This is formula for Tn. What is given? What you have to find? T28. This you have to find. This you have to find. So from the formula Tn, you can write T21, equation number 1. See here, you have to find this, children. Okay. Now what is formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n upon 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S55, sum of first 55 terms means S55 is given to you. How much S55? 3300 S55 is given. Now here just solve this. Sn is equal to this formula. Just substitute the value of n. N is how much? 55. Twice a. See, from these two I have taken again 2 common. If you take 2 common from these two, what will remain inside the bracket? A plus this. Now what is remain here? 55. Transfer here 55. So what you will get? 3300 upon 55 is equal to this. What is this? This is what? From equation number 1, T28. And if you do this multiplication, 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 00. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 60. Means what answer you will get? 60. Okay, in this manner I have solved all the sum. Okay, chalo, thank you.